స్కూల్లో నిర్వహించిన విద్యార్థుల ఎన్నికల్లో విజయం సాధించిన విద్యార్థులకు మెడల్స్ అందజేయడంతో పాటు పాఠశాలలో గ్రీన్ డే కార్యక్రమాన్ని నిర్వహించారు. ఈ వేడుకల్లో పాఠశాల డైరెక్టర్ కుమారస్వామి, పాఠశాల ప్రిన్సిపల్ పవన్, ఉపాధ్యాయులు, విద్యార్థులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
The newly elected student council. I also request Niharika Madam and Srija Madam to help them out in pinning the badges.
As we conducted voting in our school, our unanimously Pranav Tej is elected as the school captain. Captain. Kaushik will be our sports captain. Shrestha will be the school CCA captain. Finally, Shigra is the school literary captain. So here the duties and responsibilities of the prefects of the student council. Self-government is the object a great school proposes to itself in its life and laws, and the prefects are the machinery for carrying out this self-government among the students themselves. In the absence of staff, prefects will act and work as a teacher. Prefect will be responsible for the behavior of students out of the school as well as in the compound or games field. Prefects should not misuse their privileges. They have their respective prefects' diary. School captain, as Mr. Pranav Tej, will maintain his own diary to note his observation and suggestion for implementation to be discussed with the principal, sir.
With the power vested in me
as the school captain
of GMS Brungi,
I Pranav
I am Akshita,
hereby
minister you all
the oath of loyalty and dedication
the oath of loyalty and dedication
to this alma mater
of
ours and the rules of discipline
our rules and discipline
prescribed by it. I read the oath
and
you repeat it after me. While accepting with a grateful heart the responsibilities of school prefect, we solemnly promise on oath that we shall carry out our responsibilities as prefect in the true spirit of discipline and dedication, safeguarding the interest of our alma mater to bring the good name and honor to it and feel proud of belonging to this great institution. We shall always
give due to
respect to our
school captain
and follow the good examples
of behavior
and self-discipline
set by him.
happening today. It is a green concept day where our tiny little toddlers are ready with their concept dresses, which are in green color, which is representing the greenery and peace.
This is
నేమ్ చెప్పు నాన్న నేమ్ చెప్పు నేను ఏం మమ్మీకి సే ఫస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఎవ్రీవన్ సే నువ్వు చెప్పు నాన్న ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యి చెప్పేసి
my name is
My name is Vedakshara.
I'm studying in
I'm studying in UKG.
I want to tell about
I want to tell about Green Day.
చెప్పు గురించి నేర్చుకున్నావు చెప్పు దీని గురించి ఏం నేర్చుకున్నావు
నువ్వు ప్రిపేర్ అయినావు కదా చెప్పేసి మర్చిపోయినా
సరే ఓకే our forest is
Our forest is
green in color.
green in color.
They are the
They are the
lungs of our planet.
lungs of the planet.
Because of them
Because of this,
we get
we get
fresh oxygen
good oxygen
and we stay
and we stay
very healthy.
very healthy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
Have a green day. My name is Tejasvi. I am studying in UKG class.
What do you want to tell?
UKG class. I am blue color. This is green color. Thank you.
So what Arha is wearing? She is wearing grapes which are in green color, right? Yes. So Arha, what do you want to tell? Just speak out some words.
My name is Sarva. I'm studying in LKG. I'm studying in LKG.
Vaibhavi and Akhil Reddy are celebrating their birthdays. Please put your hands and let us sing the song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear brothers. Happy birthday to you. May God bless to you. May God bless to you. May God bless to dear brothers. Happy birthday to you.
National anthem begins.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलसि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे
Honorable Director Sir, and my dear students and colleagues, warm welcome to one and all. With the power vested in me as a principal of Brungi International Schools Parigi branch, I hereby appoint Master Pranav as the school captain for the session 2024 and 25. Pranav, you could repeat after me. While accepting with a grateful heart the responsibilities of school captain, I, Pranav, 8th grade, solemnly pledge to carry out my duties as a school captain in the true spirit of discipline and dedication, safeguarding the interest of my alma mater to bring good name and honor to it, and feel proud of belonging to the great institution. I shall lead the school by setting before them the examples of good behavior and self-discipline, always respecting my teachers and elders, and helping my younger brothers and sisters studying here. I shall never do anything that would bring shame to me and cause damage to the reputation of my alma mater. Thank you.
Very warm good morning to my Brungians Parigi branch. How are you all? Fine, sir. Thank you. So, the reason for today's investiture ceremony, you have to recall a week back we have conducted elections in a democratic way, and I am glad to know that Master Pranav have unanimously elected as a school captain. Please put your hands together. And we have selected 2 deputies followed by literary captain, sports captain and sports captain, literary captain and CCA captain, right? So what is this exactly? As we all should know, in school conducting such kind of activity is nothing but to create a sense of responsibility. Responsibility is nothing but to know why I am in the school, what are my duties to know, what are the terms I should get to know. And leadership is not like taking the lead to lead the front. Leadership is all about the qualities to inspire others. That is the true sense of responsibility or leadership qualities. And that is the reason we have made this event happen. Now what are their duties to know? One by one, they as a prefect, as a school captain, as a deputies, all the captains, it will be like a student council. This student council will gather the information from overall the things, what are the inputs from their side, being as a teacher or being as a student, what are the things that can be mitigated to get the school functioning smoothly. Sometimes there might be technical reasons that cannot be explained, but there are some terms, if the responsibilities has been shouldered to the students, they will come up with flying colors. And the reason to announce this council, these are the students from 8th class. Actually, it should be up to 10th, but we are having up to 8. That is the reason we have selected from these classes. Now they have a challenge. Their regularity to the school, their punctuality, their academics, their overall development. As a school student, they should get that information and they should feel that this is my alma mater, this is my school. Now I wanted, not taking much of time, just to recall again, today we are going to celebrate 2 events here. This is one investiture ceremony that can be said as oath ceremony. The other event is called the Color Concept Day. That is the kind we Brungians past 20 years has been celebrating with the pre-primary kids. The wonderful serene nature is giving us a kind of gratitude. This greenery is what life is about, prosperity. And I am very glad to announce and thank our management, Dr. A. Chandrasekhar Garu, Madam Pramila Garu, to give us this wonderful building, the wonderful infrastructure and ambience. So once again, they deserve a big round of applause. We are very thankful for giving us such a wonderful composed climate. And that is the reason to inculcate the value of nature, how you have to be. This is the nature you have to learn. And that is what these attributes in the student's life that counts a lot in a kind of 21st century where we are fortunate or unfortunate, I don't know, but we are going through every now and then depending upon cell phones. If you come to this climate, you can see the change and you can experience how the nature is beautiful. So not taking much of time, I request now all the prefects, please hold your candles. We will take an oath ceremony with the prefects first. Prefects, please hold all the prefects except this cabinet. All the. Now please repeat me what I say. Okay? An educational institution is like a candle. Always burning to kindle. The spirit of self-realization. And to know the true divinity. Dwelling in an individual. Let us light the candle rather than curse the darkness that envelopes us. A lamp cannot light without another lamp. A light cannot light another lamp unless it burns its own wick and oil. A prefect can never truly come on without continually learning himself throughout his life, learning to live in the present without worrying for the past or future. You have been selected to perform your duties as a prefect, guarding the interest of this institution in the true spirit of self-discipline and dedication. We expect you to carry out your responsibility with honor and dignity. Will you? Say yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I request our principal, Sri Venkatramana Garu, to do the honors for the school captain. Please. So far, from the month of June, we were busy regarding admissions and all other things, all other stuff. July, we have started the regular curriculum, that is our CBSE curriculum, followed by the activities coming around in the month of July, August. Every month there will be activities, but one sense of understanding we all should have now. Diversions from the academics should not be done. Priority always and will be our academics. And based on that, all the teachers I am expecting, they put up their efforts to bring every slow learner, average and other average students to realize their real potential in the form of logical, analytical, radical, critical, aesthetical thinking, and with that, the upbringing of them should not be only restricted to textbooks, it should be content oriented. That's one thing. And on this base, this academic year in Pargi branch, now we are officially launching the IIT program from today onwards. So you know that, you all should be knowing teachers from Vikarabad are hired for that work only. And I wanted that should be our top priority, and in the coming days, we Pargi branch students of Brungi International School will write 5 competitive exams that are related to maths, science, English, social and reasoning. And this will be state and national competitive exams. I am looking forward. Our students will come up with flying colors and I have full faith in my teachers. They will put up all the hard work into the students' development related to academics, co-curricular, sports and other events whichever will come in the future months. So I wanted to thank all the teachers, the principal for making this happening day. Every aspect is not learned in the classroom. Few things are there, seeing the generation, we need to understand their psychology also. These students, they wanted a clearer method of learning, and clearer method of learning inculcates holistic approach as well. Pedagogic method of teaching should be followed, no doubt. But any students, if they feel comfortable with the children or with the teacher, then only they will start interest. And that one quality should be inculcated by every subject and class teacher. You please remember that, and I will make it a point. In the coming days, we will be having FL1 formative assessment 1 examination, followed by your Independence Day, followed by other activities. As I said, IIT program will be launched today itself. So thank you once again, and I wish you all the best for your future endeavors, all my dear students and staff. Finally, heartfelt congratulations to all the winners of the cabinet. Your responsibility is to check every aspect of the student, and yourself also should behave, understand, and your life also should inspire the young children from 4th class, 3rd class, 5th class, any class. No, if I grow, I wanted to become the school leader or school captain or a prefect. Okay? So will you assure me?
Yes, sir.
So thank you very much. God bless us all. Thank you.